Good morning, everyone, and I'm sorry we're not in the Assembly Hall celebrating the end of term all together. But I just wanted to say a few words before you had your Easter break. It's been a very strange term, but it's been a very positive term as well. And I want to remember all the great things that we've done that now seem like it was ages ago. We've had amazing sporting fixtures this term with great successes across all year groups. We had the wonderful, amazing gym and dance display where you showed us all the talent that you have in with your rhythm and your movement and your gymnastics and your dance, which was absolutely amazing. And a big, big thank you to the PE department for that. We've sung and we've performed music. And the music, as always, at Northwood College is pretty amazing. We've had the spring concert and we've had the Sing Makers workshop, and all of which, and our singing together is just, as you know, very special to me. So I've always enjoyed the house music. The house music was fantastic, and rounding off at the end of the day with a really rousing performance from all the different winners from the different categories. So that's something to celebrate and to remember. We did the This Is Me. It seems a long time ago, but don't forget what fun we had with that. And that brings me to sports relief as a whole. The money that you have raised for sports relief was pretty astounding. And a particular thank you to the Year 10 who put on the dodgeball and all the other events throughout the week for doing such a fantastic job. I want to say a big, big thank you because we don't have a moment to celebrate and thank the Year 13s. They're not going to be going off in study leave in the same way, and we don't have the opportunity to thank them. But from the bottom of my heart, I thank them for everything that they have done since they took over the leadership positions this time last year. They have been amazing. I have loved working with all of you. All of you, not just the prefects and the head girl team, have contributed to life at the school in so many ways, whether it's in public speaking, whether it's been in competitions that you've entered, whether it's been in your leadership capacities, but in just so many ways you have been such a big part of our lives. And I've loved working with you this year. And I'm very, very proud of you. It's not over yet, but this is the moment that we would usually then pass on the gowns to the new team. So at the moment, we've just got the head girl team, and I'm looking forward to working with them next term. You're shortly going to see a video from everybody, and particularly the Year 13s. But welcome to the Year 12s into your leadership positions. We'll be appointing the new leadership positions shortly at the beginning of next term. But I know that you are going to take up the mantle, and you will do extremely well in whatever direction you take us to. But to the Year 13s, we will see you again. We will meet and we will celebrate your successes, and we will have an opportunity to say goodbye properly. But from all of us at Northwood College, we thank you for your hard work and your commitment, your smiles and your tears, and everything that you have done for the school. And to the rest of you, have a good break. I know we can't go anywhere, but there's still things that we can do and have fun that we can have. So make sure that you have some fun, you have good family time, and I will see you at the beginning of next term. Happy Easter, everyone.